Who knows what Mr. Brett and I are going to get into today? Hey, Ding Dong. So, I'm not really sure what's wrong with me today, but I am just so unprepared. I had bait, I had worms, and I had minnows, and I forgot them both. And I'm going to this lake that's on the side of the road. This is going to be a catch and cook episode. We're going to see what we can catch with what I can find. So I'm going to catch my own bait, and I'm just going to use a really simple setup, and Dude Bird and I are going to eat some foodie. And we're ready to go. This is a size 10 hook. It's pretty small. Abu Garcia ugly stick combo. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna try to make my work up. I'm gonna try to make my way up from bait that I find. So I'm gonna be looking under rod, and it's gonna be, oh, gosh dang it! Oh, these everything. I couldn't have come even more unprepared. Forgot my fishing license, and I forgot a knife. Good thing I brought my net. That's about it. That's about it. I have my cow over here eating grass, and I have to start looking for bait. Okay, luckily I remembered that I have a knife on my keychain. It's like a 2-inch Swiss Army knife. Yeah. Okay. Let's check this out. See if I can catch some minnows. Back up off that. Well, I didn't get skunked today, but I did catch one fish, just one small little bluegill. So I have to make a fire now. Got salt and pepper. I also have ketchup, mustard, and Tabasco sauce. Thanks to the handy dandy trusty fanny pack. Comes in super handiness. So first things first, when you're starting a fire, you have to have something super light and something that catches fire really, really quickly. So this is generally called dry leaves. They have to be dry, no green, nothing green. And if you do it right, you'll light the fire once, and that's all you need to do. You'll have a roaring fire after that. So, have your base of the leaves. So I built the fire. Really messed up by not showing you guys. So I have my fish in that net right there, and I'm going to find a nice Nice big leaf. Preferably with no holes that can fit fish that side. I like this one. These two. I like this one. It's a nice leaf. Not really sure what kind of plant this is, but if anybody knows, be sure to give me that information. Woody's currently messing with the fish. What is it, Woody? What is it, Ding Dong? Yeah? Okay. Fire's going really nice. I'm gonna prep the fish. And we're back. So I had my tiny Swiss Army knife, my fish. Woody and I are gonna eat it. Done. So now, all I have to do is wrap it up in that leaf. We have fish, salt, pepper, and by the gracious grace of the Fanny Pack, we have Tabasco sauce. A necessity when eating the foods. And salt, pepper. Now the most beautiful ingredient. Yes. 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 Oh, Jess. Oh, Jess. Who knows what the heck this is, but it's going in the fire. So, fire has burnt down significantly. Just gonna agitate that. So, put my fish right there. Oh gosh, it's gonna cook. It's gonna cook. Hey Woody, it's cooking nicely with the dude bird in the background. Now she actually smells quite good, and I'm gonna take my first little chunk of meat down the gullet. No, actually tastes pretty good. But now that Tabasco sauce, that makes it real spicy. Dude bird deserves some. Here, Ding Dong. If I learned anything today, I learned that you should always come prepared and always bring everything that you absolutely need and probably put it in one bag so you can just get it and go. Woody and I would like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. Have a good day.